Ebusia, come with me, oh, come with me. The road is clear for the much anticipated walk from Opera Square all the way to the Independence Square on the 6th of September. What are we talking about here? We are talking about the visitors we have in our country. Omama Ghana aye huhuhu. Omo ewianiama kum nipa. Omu seniama san nyim yenkwala anu ni ade. Ashawo any tutu adoso ewo Ghana because of these people. Ekanka the self-acclaimed Igbo king. Ebusuya muka se me share video buma me say yesi papa be the chief innocent onunsu the self-acclaimed Igbo king no akwa court with respect to the festival na osi oba abedin. Ebusuya nyenye ready. This is just an announcement to all of you out there. On the 6th of September is the day Ghana will experience something that have never happened before. A peaceful walk, yet we are ready to show our displeasure to the President, John Dramani Mahama. Say, they are not people who are able to me any omuatana. That is the second thing. Now, third thing is say, we also want to send a signal to our chiefs and our local people, the municipal chief executives, the MMDs, and all of them, all the government appointment, the appointees, any the Minister of Interior, the Minister for Defense, ato forcing. You are forcing for the economy, but see the economy no dollar no kosoro ato forcing. See dollar no kosoro. In Tebusia, the road is clear, but we are hoping say you show up. Dr. Hassan Ayariga is the youth president for now. For now, Ghana youth Uchawenia and Kobe Bia, it goes straight to Dr. Hassan Ayariga. He said, if you don't see the president as your leader, I am your leader now. That's what he said. And I like the energy, except sometimes when he's talking, the kind of energy he's putting into it. So we are inviting everybody. All we are saying is say, people are with us, and those people nyama no moyeno and so any. So the earlier we put things together to work on getting those people off the street of Accra, the street of Kumasi, the street of Tamale, the street of Konungo, the street of Koforidua, the street of Nsawam, and the street of Takradi, and the street of wherever we have Galamsey. Yes, Galamsey or Kradi, Omwe Duhonma, they are also doing. Ebusia, the earlier we take care of the Egyptians we are seeing today, the better. And ne na mensuya adiebi. Ebusia ma menkyerɛkyerɛ mo adiebi a mensuya ne. And na mensuya what happened before the Israelites become slave in Egypt. It was after Joseph became the prime minister, and the family of Joseph and everybody came to stay with him, and Joseph died. The father of Joseph died, and the brothers of Joseph died. Then what happened? The children of Joseph and Joseph's wife and Joseph's brother's wife, they stayed in Egypt for a little bit while until they have another king. And then when the king came on board, he noticed that these people are more than us. If we don't do something about it, they will overshadow us. And that is how come the Israelites become slaves in Egypt. This is the story. So if we don't wake up today as Ghanaians and fight this fight, and go and walk to show our displeasure, what is coming to happen is that one day the Egyptians that we see coming to Ghana today will be more than us as Ghanaians. And if we don't take care, we become slaves in our own land. Arise, Ghana youth. Choboy Ghana youth. Arise, Ghana youth. Choboy Ghana youth. Remember to subscribe to this channel, Top Gossip 24. Smash on the like button. Your comments are more than important to us on this page. We are Ghana now. We're Ghana on the 6th of September. Don't be on your bed. Close your shop. One more circle. Abusu Kain Kaneshi Market Hall Shaman in a say for yanu for abe jimo shop. Omo abe jimo shop. Omo ye nyama basa. You guys cannot say anything. This is the time to speak with placards and say what you want to say, and say it loud to the president of the land, John Dramani Mahama. Say, we queued and voted for him, and we expect him to listen to our voices. Ebusia, I believe strongly say you guys enjoyed this very announcement. Bomodian say obe share ama ebedu obisu. Okay, share video no. Let everybody know say on the 6th of September we are coming. I said what? We are coming. We are what? Coming. We are going to walk. This is not just an empty walk. This is not any other walk. She says in a Dr. Hassan Ayariga Kayano. Or say don't stay home and say this walk is just for Dr. Hassan Ayariga. So me, I'm not going. This is the walk to deliver your family. This is the walk to deliver your mother. This is the walk to deliver your father. This is the walk to deliver Ghana. Piao.